phones emit radio frequency energy, commonly known as radio waves. Tissues on the human body that are the closest to these antennas can absorb this energy, leading to a possibility of cancer growth. Since cell phones were created, there was always a doubt that, do cell phones cause cancer? A very recent study published on May 27, 2016, proved that the link is weak but positive. It was a 2-year study led by the National Toxicology Program, who has found low incidences of the brain and heart tumors in male rats that were exposed to the radio frequency radiation commonly emitted by cell phones. The rats that were exposed ended up having a higher rate of 2 malignant cancers, glioma of the brain and schwannoma of the nerves in the heart. And guess what? None of those unexposed rats developed them. These findings support the International Agency for Research on Cancer, who has made conclusions that radiation from phones may be carcinogenic. There is not a lot of evidence to prove this, however. Epidemiological studies had shown increased risk of 40 to 200% for gliomas and acoustic neuromas among heavy or long-term cell phone users. Glioma is a malignant tumor of the glial tissue of the nervous system. The research that was just published was conducted in an underground lab with specially designed radio frequency chambers to house the rats. The animals were exposed to 900 MHz radio waves modulated using Code Division Multiple Access, or CDMA, and Global System for Mobile Communication, or GSM, modulation. These are cell phone frequencies and modulations currently used in the United States. Gliomas had appeared in 2 to 3% of male rats in each group, while schwannomas appeared in 1 to 6%. The incidence of schwannomas was significantly higher in the male rats that were exposed to 6 kilogram levels. There were no similar results in females. And also, for some unexplained reason, the researchers found that the unexposed rats died younger than exposed animals. There are 6.8 billion cell phones in the world and continuously growing. That means almost everyone, in one way or another, is affected by the potential uses that cell phone radiation can cause. Other than cancer, EMF radiation could cause insomnia, decreased bone density in the pelvis, infertility in men, and can affect brain activity. Think about the kids, who just can't get enough of technology these days. Their skulls are much thinner, and their developing minds are even more vulnerable to EMF radiation than adults. On the other side, cell phone can cause another problem. Cell phone cases being thrown away adds on to the plastic pollution that we are already facing. Cell phones cases made from polyethylene, which is a type of plastic, are non-biodegradable. When you throw away anything plastic, it goes on a journey to the landfill, where it stays there for a long, long time, for 1,000 years before it decomposes. When the rain pours down, the toxics from the plastic get mixed with the water. If water is ingested by wildlife underwater, their life is at stake.